What is up everyone, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And since we are all enjoying our holiday season and we are being prepared for the new year, Mini GT is also preparing for their new year with a new set of models. So we are actually talking about the new releases that are being able to see in 2021, and they haven't given exact release dates, but we will be looking at each and every model in a specific detail. We have the Mazda MX-5 Miata. So actually talking about this specific model, Mini GT has made a post and been releasing the details about the cars in a very modern way, and they have given the introduction to the car in their fan page in Facebook, and you guys can check it out and see what are the new updates that are coming in. So moving on, we have the Mazda Miata. The actual car was released in Chicago in the auto show in Feb 10th 1989. So this was actually a Japan released, even though this was actually a British roadster. So talking about this British roadster, they haven't actually mentioned a date to release, but they're planning on within a few weeks after we arrive to 2021. And moving on, we have next in line, Mini GT is actually coming up with a various set of body kits and liveries for Corvettes, and the Corvette C8 is being released to the public to show how it's going to be the livery, not the livery actually, the body kit. They have put out the pictures and the previews of how the body kit is going to be and how the car is actually going to look like, and they actually started off with the livery building, and this is actually a sample unpainted model, and the project on the next stage, they are planning on decorating on how to decorate and what are the liveries that are coming in, what are the colors that they are using. So that stage is going on, and probably it will be released very soon with a sneak peek of what we are actually getting in. Another special release coming up by Mini GT for 2021 is another new howler. So actually talking about howlers, Mini GT produced their 164 scale Benz truck for actually it came up as a closed container as well as a car carrier. So with these new releases, why not add another American? So they are adding their first American, the Western Star 49X, the semi-trailer truck, and it'll be coming up, it'll be releasing in 2021, and the preview has been uploaded to the fan page. So hopefully the liveries are not yet out, but they will be putting out very soon, and we will be doing a review on that as well. We have another unique car coming up by Mini GT, and this is a track edition. This is the Tyrrell 1976 P34. This was actually a Formula 1 with a 6-wheeler. So talking about this specific model, this was the real car was actually released in September 1975, and it actually came into the racing tracks for their first race in 1976 for the season. And also talking about the tires, because the tires are mainly the eye-catching feature of the car. So talking about the tires of this car, the front 4 wheels are made by a 10-inch, which is made in Goodyear special manufactured, and in the back of course we have the normal ordinary Formula 1 track tires. This is also set to be released in 2021, and as usual about the other models, the specific date hasn't been mentioned yet, and we will be able to do a review on this as well. Last but not least, to end up the video today, we have another release by Mini GT. So this is actually another Bentley release which is coming up next year, and this is the all new Bentley Mulliner Bacala. So talking about the Bentley Mulliner Bacala, it was actually released in 2020 March, and this is going to be a limited production, and this is mentioned as a convertible luxury edition, and this is also coming up in 164 scale and to be released in 2021. And they are predicting that it will be out on the summer vacation for 2021. So hopefully it'll be out on time and we will be able to have it in hand. So this is actually the fourth release of the Mini GT Bentley editions, and that is it for today, guys, and hope you guys enjoy the video. And as always, like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news. And hope you guys enjoy the video and have a happy, wonderful, blessed new year, and catch you guys soon on the next video.